If I had to start today from zero with no clients, no audience, and make money in 30 days, this is how I would do it. I'm CPA. I work with different clients. I was working at Big Four, one of the biggest corporations. I was working at music business management. I built a tax education system, right, or a YouTube channel. And let me tell you how I would start if I had none of it today. The mistake people do is try to learn everything, all the forms, all the tax rules. You don't really need it. Start with learning something small, execute it, get paid. Don't say I do taxes for everybody. Be more specific. Say I do taxes for business owners, freelancers, self-employed people. Now people understand what you do. This is where most people overthink. Your first client is not going to come to you from your website, so you don't need a website right away. Your first client will come from your friends, family, people you know, maybe from a platform like Upwork. So you don't need 100 to start, you just need 1, then 5, and then if you want to, you can get to 100. So do not overcomplicate it. Start with a 1 tax return, 1 client. Don't overcomplicate pricing. Start something with like 300, 500, and 1,000, and then raise your fees, or even less, just to get experience. If you understand taxes, even on a basic level, you can make it a multiple streams of income. Not just tax preparation, but there is so many more out there. Once you know what you're doing, you increase fees, get referral. Now it's not just an extra income, it's a real business. Here's what most people miss. Tax preparation is not just a job, it's a skill that you can add on top of it. So once you know tax preparation, you can add bookkeeping services, tax advising services, all kind of stuff like that. So now you're not trading your time for money. You make your time to work for you. So if you're thinking into getting into tax preparation business or learning this skill, this is your sign, and I'll help you out with that. So please follow my channel for more information and look up for other videos on when I'm explaining steps how to learn tax preparation. If you're from a beginner, or if you're already not a beginner, how to make it a business, how to make that skill to work for you, so you don't trade time for money anymore. If you're thinking getting into taxes, this is your sign. Don't overcomplicate it. The first step is the most difficult, so let me help you to start.